Hello everyone and welcome to the channel as I do. Now I have this advice to make snow dolls for these Christmas holidays. I know we are a little advanced but we are already close. And they can have them ready for when it is December. They are very easy to do and best of all, they will hardly spend anything. A part is a project they can do with the little ones in the house and I know they will love it. So let's see what we will need to do them. We are going to need raw rice or beans, the socks for the body of our doll, a fabric that you like for the scarves, scissors to cut these, a little of several colors foamy or can also use pins and buttons to decorate them, leaves and a silicone gun or can also use cold silicone that I recommend more. Now let's see how it is done. We take our sock and we will measure more or less at heel height and that is where we are going to cut it with our scissors as I show them on the screen. Already cut, these two pieces must be left. We reserve the foot part of the sock since we will use it at the end. We grab the upper part of the sock and turn it in to do so as follows. We take the bottom and put it together, then take a lead and tie it as you can see in the video. Preferably do it with thinner leads since it will be easier and faster to put them since we have put it again to turn the calzetta and we will have like a small bag as well as the one I did. Then we take the rice of preference that is in a boat because that way we can put the sock around its mouth and empty the rice until it almost completely fill it. We already compress it by crushing it on a flat surface, in this case the table, so that the first ball of our snowman is formed. Since we have the first ball of the size we want it, we take a lead and tie the sock with it so that it is left in its place and does not get rid of, or the rice or beans that we have put. We already tied the rice again and empty it in the part that is above the sock to form the other ball that will be the head of our fear doll. Be sure to fill it since we will compress it as with the other and so it is like a ball. Already full, we just join the top of the sock and tied with a lead in the same way that we did with the other, so that it does not disarms and the rice does not come out. Already finished should be more or less as seen in the video. Now we take our piece of cloth, which in this case is a shirt that you no longer use, but you can buy it or use anyone you like. We cut a strip of this long enough to be able to tie it around the neck of our doll, since this will be its buffin. More or less I cut about 20 centimeters but you calculate for yours. We take the fabric and tie it around our doll and make a knot so that it will not fall without the need to use glue. If they saw that they were very long, just cut the excess with the scissors and leave it from the length that you like the most. Now we grab our foamy and take as a reference a button to cut the ones we are going to do. If they have the buttons they will look much better and look even more beautiful. We cut the circles we need until we have something like this. Finally, we cut smaller circles to make your eyes. In this case I make them blue but it can be the color you want. We also cut the nose that this time I put it yellow, but I repeat, it can be the color you want. Already cut should be something similar to this. Since we have all our cut accessories, we take the silicone gun and with great caution we will go hitting each of the buttons. You can put those of the color that you discourage, I have just put them here as an example. Have special care when you hit your eyes and nose since there is not much surface of which to hold them. For that reason I highly recommend using cold silicone for this project and more if they will help their children, nephews or grandchildren. Now that everything is stuck, just put your hat. We took the piece of sock that we had reserved and only made a fold inward so that the cut part is not noticed. And we put it on the head and accommodate so that their eyes can be seen. They can do this of different colors, either with another sock or dyeing it with the coloring envelopes for clothing. Ready, this is how it is finished and as you can see, it is very suffered to decorate any part of your home or office. It is very easy to do and best of all, we don't really spend anything because we already have everything in our homes. It is ideal to do it with the little ones in the home since they can help us in each step apart. I know that they will love it because it will be something done by them and that they will see it as an ornament in their home or in the same rooms. With just a sock, leaves, rice and foamy we can make a very stupid snowman for these parties that apart from being very simple to do we are reusing things that we already had and so we do not spend anything that as I always tell them is the main purpose of the channel. As you know if you liked this video, give it a little man, subscribe, share with all family, friends and acquaintances. Thanks for seeing us and hopefully they liked this advice. As always, see you in the next videos. Thank you.